Hello friends, in this video lecture we will see network reference model. With the help of network reference model, different heterogeneous systems or different heterogeneous networks can communicate with each other. Means to govern the communication between different heterogeneous systems or network, there is need of network reference model. These network reference models are standard, means they are accepted globally. With the help of network reference model, communication is done regardless of different architecture. Means system A wants to communicate with another system B, though the architecture of two systems, that is A and B, is different, but they are able to communicate with each other with the help of network reference model. There are two types of network reference models. First one is the OSI reference model and second one is the TCP/IP reference model. So let's see OSI reference model first. So in OSI reference model, OSI stands for Open System Interconnected or Open System Interconnection. It has 7 layers and numbering is there from bottom to top. Means at the bottom there is a physical layer, then data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer and the application layer. And there is interface between two adjacent layers. There is interface 7.6, that is interface between application layer and the presentation layer. Here is interface 7.6. There is interface between presentation layer and session layer, that is interface 6.5. Interface between session layer and transport layer, interface between transport layer and network layer, interface between network layer and data link layer, and interface between data link layer and physical layer. Between two adjacent layers there is an interface. Means with the help of interface, two layers communicate with each other. Here application layer, presentation layer and session layer are known as user support layers, or group of these three is known as user support group. Means user interacts with this group, that's why this group or these three layers are known as user support layers. Then there are network support layers or network support group, comprises network layer, data link layer and physical layer. So group of these three layers is known as network support group, or these three layers are known as network support layers. We have TCP/IP reference model. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. It has 4 layers, numbers from bottom to top: host to network layer, internet layer, transport layer and application layer. So there is interface between two adjacent layers, like interface we have learned in the OSI reference model. Means there is interface between application layer and transport layer, there is interface between transport layer and the internet layer, and interface between internet layer and the host to network layer, so that communication between two adjacent layers can be made within same system. So let's have comparison of OSI reference model and TCP/IP reference model. OSI reference model is having 7 layers and TCP/IP reference model is having 4 layers. Here function of application layer, presentation layer and session layer in OSI reference model is performed by application layer in TCP/IP reference model. Here you can see in OSI reference model there are 3 layers: application layer, presentation layer and session layer, that is user support group. And in TCP/IP reference model there is only application layer. Means task of these 3 layers, application layer, presentation layer and session layer, is performed by application layer in TCP/IP reference model. Then there is a transport layer in both the models. OSI reference model has 7 layers and TCP/IP reference model has 4 layers, as we have seen in the previous slide. So there is network layer in OSI reference model, and here in TCP/IP reference model there is internet layer. Means function of network layer in OSI reference model is performed by internet layer in TCP/IP reference model. OSI reference model has a data link layer and physical layer, and TCP/IP reference model is having host to network layer. Means functions of this data link layer and physical layer in OSI reference model are performed by host to network layer in TCP/IP reference model. OSI reference model is more hypothetical and TCP/IP reference model is more practical. So these are different points of comparison between OSI reference model and TCP/IP reference model. In next video lecture, we will see OSI reference model in details. Thank you for watching, and for more such videos, subscribe this channel, like and share the videos. Thank you.